I will come, to these, research committees, in terms of compliance. And one of the things that we were always talk, and it was always stable, was like all the inaccurate, errors that we had, with the tumor measurements. And so, of course, from an administrative level, from a quality assurance level, we're like, we do have a problem. So yes, we did recognize the problem in them, but at the same time, we needed to find out how we were going to solve it. So, of course, we had a lot of issues of, we were trying to eliminate, all of those electronic spreadsheets. We were trying, to avoid the margin errors, from the measurements from one person to another person. We didn't have standardizations, really. And we also knew that we needed to improve the accuracy. Right, so accuracy for us, especially when the protocol is so centered to the tumor, imaging, we needed to meet those endpoints, and honestly, we were off. Plain and simple, right? So when you look at those errors, you are like, my goodness, the impact that these errors have in general, it is really affecting, people's. The impact is on the patient. Yeah. It is right there, because if we are not measuring correctly, we are really not testing, the IP properly. We just simply, a change in a measurement can really change, the treatment plans. And that was one of the things that we were so conscientiously about it. And by introducing, the informatic, imaging system, because this woman was an absolutely warrior, it was like, we need to solve the problem. So we actually, end up, collaborating a great deal, with the radiology department. And once we started looking at the data itself, we realized that more than 50% of all of our findings had some level of issues. And that was unacceptable. I mean, 50% is huge.